Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Tea&Art. I hope you all are well. So let's start today's video. So today I am going to yet again sharing with you this amazing mold, and it is really a one of a kind mold, and I'm really excited to show you this one. So all of the molds up till now I have made a playlist, so I will link here above so you can see all of the molds, how I use them. I can use and pour the resin into the molds in one go, but they are also unique. I really want to show you the beauty of each mold by itself. So for this one I'm going to show you something different. So this was actually recommended by a lovely subscriber, and they asked me to do this, so hopefully they can see that I'm doing it now. So this is the mold. I just want to show you first the mold. This was actually, I was thinking this is going to be a big tray, but I cannot believe it is such a beautiful delicate tray. It is a tray mold, and you will see later on. So these are the beads that I used before, similar to these in a crystal mold, and it turned out really amazing. So that is the video above here. If you want to see, go there. So what I will be doing today is that instead of adding them like this, I'm going to hammer them and crush them. So this was their idea. They wanted me to do this, so I'm doing this, and this mold is perfect for trying the idea here. So what I did was I carefully wrapped those beads into this felt fabric that you see, and then I hammered them, so in this way they never didn't spread. And I have mixed my resin here. It is a low viscosity resin, but I will be very carefully pouring a tiny layer of this resin on top of this, because I don't want the sides to be pouring with the clear resin. I just want this area to be poured in a clear resin. So there are molds you can simply just add full resin in them and just create something really unique. I'm not going with that. Even for the simple mold, I do get with extra steps. So yeah, that is something I really can't control myself, but these are ideas that I want to share with you to make a very high class resin items, and using the molds that will help you in achieve that look. So this is going to be that one. So now I'm going to carefully open the fabric here. So this is how the crushed parts look like. So I'm going to select the pieces that are going in the resin, because I'm not going to put the whole glass into the resin. So the area that is a AB style of, you can say, holographic effect in that bead, I'm going to add these. So you can already see that there the mold is made out of shiny rhinestone beads. So it is going to be really lovely when the light will hits it. But again, I'm super excited to see the result myself, because this is also my first try. So let's see how this will turn out. So carefully I'm just picking piece by piece, and I'm going to add it into the tray here. So you just enjoy the process. So I added some small beads also, and then a little bit of fantasy film, and it is going to be now curing, and see you next day. So this is the next day. I have mixed my resin, and to this resin I added a transparent black epoxy pigment and a violet transparent epoxy pigment. And now I will be layering these pigments. Instead of just pouring at one go, I will be creating effects here. So I'm going with a little bit of a amethyst theme here. So if you know about the smoky amethyst, it is a sort of a black purplish tone of crystal. So it gives a really lovely effects. So a little bit of black smoky and a little bit of this violet shade, and in between I will be adding the clear resin also. So now at the moment I'm using my heat gun, because if there are any bubbles I want to eliminate them. Because the edges of this tray is really pretty. Once demold, you will see what I'm talking about. So I don't want any bubbles. So these are few steps you need to take care of to get a good result in your end product. And then I'm using a little bit of heat gun. If there are any bubbles that are rising on the top of the cup, I want to remove them. And again I'm going with my black, and I'm pouring a little bit of here and there. And I will keep on doing this. So it's done now, and I will leave this to cure, and I will see you next day. So this is the next day, time to demold. Super excited about how the end result will be. So I'm demolding here and really looking forward for the result. So this is the mold, and you can see how shiny it is. It is unique and one of a kind. I haven't seen a mold like this, and wow, I can't see any, there are no words. It is so beautiful. You can see the shiny effect and also the crushed crystal beads. They are giving their beauty full. So this is actually the actual result of this mold. Actual result. Love it. You can get this mold for 20% off, and everything will be in my description if you like to treat yourself. And I think this one is lovely mold. So if you do a black top coat, you get this effect, but this time I went with a little bit of transparent effect here. So this dish is done now. It is outside in the sun, and this can be a bestseller for you. This is resin, and if you just show them like this, they won't believe this is a resin. It is such a glass-like finish. I was really amazed, and I just kept on playing with the sun rays that was hitting this tray in every angle. If I haven't added the beads, it would have been lovely on its own also, but this is just a cherry on top for this mold. Yet again, you can do so much with this mold. You can add a holographic mold back at the back, or if you can add a holographic paper, you can add flowers to this. It's really up to you. I went with simple amethyst theme here, and I'm just showing you a lovely cute trinket dish, and this is how you can place your jewelry on it. All in all, it is a lovely mold. Go treat yourself. You won't be disappointed. So that's it for today, and I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider do so, and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.